Alright guys, we're out here at a lake today. I'm throwing a Roboworm from the Hookup Tackle. Make sure you check them out at thehookuptackle.com. They have plenty of good baits for you guys. I'm using the Roboworm and the Hookup Special, that's the color. I'll show you guys here. A bag like this. This is what they look like. That's what I'm using, and I'm just Texas rigging it. So there we go. There we go. I got him bouncing up and down, like twitching it kind of with the Texas rig right in the corner of the mouth. Nice healthy bass, probably like 2 pounds. It's got a nice gut on him. So there you go, there's our first fish on the Hookup Tackle Roboworm. So. Alright, stay tuned for more. Alright guys, we're going to get another fish on camera for you here. I'm right now, there we go. I'm throwing that Roboworm from the Hookup Tackle. And the color is the Hookup Special. So, second fish of the day on this. There you go. There's a fish. I was just, I have a hook on with no bullet weight. You can see that. So then it just like floats like right below the surface, and I just jerk it, and it the tail moves and all that. So that was good. All right, so there's our second Roboworm fish. Probably like another 2 pounder or so. All right, stay tuned for more.